Okay, hello and welcome to One and Only One Za'abeel, which opened on January 1st, 2024 in Dubai. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my corner suite room 4123 in this very fancy skyscraper development. I'm walking into the powder room, but I want to give you a bit of context about the structure. The hotel stands in one of two skyscrapers that's connected by a cantilevered block that protrudes in the opposite direction called the Link, and that contains, that's what you're looking at right there, a number of restaurants and bars that are being marketed as one of the preeminent dining destinations in all of Dubai, which of course is such a good hospitality city anyways. So I didn't show you, but there's also a little kitchenette there if you're catering a party or anything like that. And here again we are in the living space. There's a mini bar to the right over there, a very big mini bar. Here is the dining slash office desk table. They seem to have conference facilities there. That's what that little pad is for. I just checked in, so I'm still finding my way around a little bit. And I'm going to give you a close-up of the view, which is phenomenal. So you can see the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, piercing up over there. And additionally, kind of to the right, there's a shiny circular building called the Museum of the Future, which is incredible to look at, but very weak thematically inside as a museum if you do decide to go, unfortunately, but amazing to look at. So walking in through here, this is the bathroom. You have wardrobe space behind those mirrored doorways. Here is the bath itself to the left, and additionally your shower just there, and you have a Japanese style toilet, Toto, behind that other frosted glass. Here is the toiletry brand Montroy, if I'm saying that right. Moving into the bedroom, you have extremely effective blackout blinds. I'm presuming that bed is really comfortable. It looks this, and again, this wonderful view. So that's it. I've just checked in. I'm sure there's lots more to discover. They have spent a fortune on this hotel, the One and Only One Za'abeel in Dubai.